No, I can get through it.
He can get through it.
Holy crap.
Are you ready?
Take your glasses off. Yeah. Glasses off first. Go.
Anytime. You gonna try it again?
Hold on. Wait a second.
You gonna try it again?
Wait a second. Oh. What? Keep going. Keep going. Is that it?
Yeah. That's it. Like crazy.
Tell me what happened.
I hit my head on the top of the board and it hit, fucking almost knocked my ass out.
Yeah. Get psyched up, man. On your mark, set, go. It's almost, go, 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 go.
One more time and you're through it.
Oh, you got it. Look what you did to that thing, man.